Hello, my name is Paul Johnston. I'm the Vice President of Global Strategic Markets and Key Accounts. I'm here at InfoComm 2026, and I want to show you another couple products we're debuting. Here in our booth, we've got actually the latest generation, Gen 3, called the SQ200 by Brompton. We're actually running it through SMPTE 2110 to really show the maximization and the absolute future that we're looking at now, and the future is now, here in our booth. So we're driving this also with what you'll see right above us, which is our latest generation. It's the fastest 1.5 pixel pitch product for virtual production. It's 1.5 pixel pitch, 1500 nits. It's 10 scan at 15,360 refresh rate. That's right, you heard that right, 15,360 refresh rate. In addition, it will run 145 frames a second. It's the fastest product on the market, and it's perfect for those virtual production environments. If you want to know a little bit more, come see us here at the booth, or if you're not able to join us at InfoComm, come check us out on Unilumin-USA.com.